Dreams. What a beautiful world, right? Everyone loves to see dreams about luxurious life, big car collection, dream home, and many more. But do you know? In the case of dreams, there are two kinds of people in the world. The first one are those who only see dreams, and the second, those who live their dreams. People who are unable to live their dreams always feel envy about how some people able to make their dreams reality. What they actually do to become successful in living their dreams? Is it possible for us to believe like them? There was a person who went on a journey to find answers for all these questions. In that journey, he met many people who were rich, successful, and living their dream life. After meeting them, he found out the secrets of converting dreams into reality. He himself became very rich and successful after using those secrets in his life. Later on, he combined all the secrets in the form of a book. The purpose was to convey these secrets to everyone who was ready to learn not only about what to do, but also how to do it for achieving their own dreams. The book, which became the magical formula of many people's life, is called Think and Grow Rich. And the noble person who wrote this book is Napoleon Hill. He has shared those secrets in the form of 13 principles with us through this book. To explain those 13 principles with more ease, we have divided them in 4 different categories: desire, idea, plan, and action. We are presenting these 4 categories in 4 separate videos. So let's get started with the first category, desire. Many years ago, there was a huge fire incident in Chicago. All the merchants lost their everything along with their store in that fire. After a long discussion, they decided to leave Chicago and move over in the more promising sector of the society except one of them. The merchant, who decided to stay and rebuild, pointed a finger at the remains of his store and said, "Gentlemen, on that very spot I will build the world's greatest store, no matter how many times it may burn down." The store was built and it stands there today. A towering monument to the power of that state of mind known as a burning desire. That merchant was Marshall Field. We all wish to become rich, but a mere wish cannot turn into reality. For that, we need a desire with a state of mind of obsession. Now the question arises how to turn desire into a burning desire. Mr. Hill guided us here. First, decide your exact desire. Set a time limit within which you are going to fulfill that desire, and what will you get in return in fulfillment for that desire. Second, write all the points on paper. Third, after that, read those statements twice a day before sleeping at night and after waking up in the morning. By writing about a desire on paper, it helps us to understand what exactly we desired and the purpose behind that desire. By repetition of the statement regularly, we start to visualize the desire in our mind. From that exact point, where a mere desire transforms into a strong desire, and we start to put faith in our desire. Faith is a miracle. Faith is an antidote for every failure. But the question arises here is how to build a strong faith. 2 most important components for building strong faith are positive attitude and self-confidence. By mastering these 2 components, we can reach the state of mind where we are able to find solutions to the problem. This state of mind is called autosuggestion. Autosuggestion develops a faith to the level at which it's not just you, but the people around you to start put faith in you and your idea. Mahatma Gandhi had no money, no home, and not a proper set of clothes. But he did have the power of faith. Through his ability to transplant that faith into the minds of 200 million people and their mind move in unison as a single mind. In this way, by having a strong desire with the power of faith and having autosuggestions in action, you will unlock the burning desire in you. This will be a key factor of your journey as well as your goal. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't watched a previous video, then please do watch. We also recommend you to watch our upcoming videos. Don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time to make you again a wise pursuer of your dreams.